Your kitchen is about to get an upgrade. Here are 15 genius Amazon kitchen finds you didn't know you needed until now. This is the ultimate airtight plastic container set that keeps your meal prep fresh for days while turning your cluttered pantry into a satisfyingly aesthetic and organized dream, making it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need every single time. This is a genius U-shaped knife cleaning brush that allows you to scrub away stubborn food residue safely and quickly without ever risking your fingers, ensuring your professional blades stay sparkling clean and hygienic with absolutely zero effort or stress. This is a precision stainless steel egg slicer that creates perfectly uniform, beautiful slices in a single second, allowing you to elevate your breakfast plates or salad toppings with a professional, cozy aesthetic that looks absolutely stunning and delicious. This is a sleek, touchless sensor trash can that combines modern stainless steel elegance with ultimate hygiene, allowing you to dispose of kitchen waste without ever touching a lid, keeping your cozy cooking space germ-free and looking incredibly high-end. This is a cutting-edge digital toaster featuring a precise screen that lets you customize your browning levels perfectly, ensuring every single slice of bread is toasted to your exact preference for the most satisfying and cozy morning routine possible. This is a magical home slushie maker that turns your favorite juices into refreshing, frozen treats in minutes, bringing a fun, aesthetic cafe vibe right into your own kitchen for a cool and exciting way to beat the heat. This is a professional-grade ice cream maker that lets you whip up creamy homemade desserts with a rich texture, giving you total control over your ingredients for a luxurious, cozy treat that the whole family will absolutely adore eating. This is an adorable and functional crab holder that keeps your hands completely clean while you enjoy seafood, adding a playful and aesthetic touch to your dining table while making the process of cracking shells totally effortless and fun. This is a comprehensive set of airtight spice jars that instantly transforms your chaotic seasoning cabinet into a clean, minimal, and aesthetic display, ensuring your favorite flavors stay fresh while making your cooking process feel organized and seamless. This is an innovative 2-in-1 oil dispenser and brush that lets you drizzle and paint oil with total precision, eliminating messy spills and drips while ensuring your pans are perfectly coated for the most delicious golden brown results. This is a premium stainless steel egg poacher pan that delivers perfectly runny yolks and tender whites every time, making gourmet brunch at home feel cozy and effortless thanks to its induction-ready design and easy-to-clean non-stick surface. This is a clever sliding fridge tray that maximizes every inch of your refrigerator space, allowing you to organize your condiments and jars neatly so you can access everything instantly without having to move 10 other things. This is a portable ice cube bottle with a built-in straw that keeps your drinks icy cold for hours on the go, blending a sleek aesthetic design with maximum functionality for a refreshing and exciting hydration experience. This is a flexible silicone sink splash guard that suctions firmly to your countertop to keep your clothes completely dry while washing dishes, adding a cozy layer of comfort and cleanliness to your daily kitchen chores and routine. This is an upgraded stainless steel apple slicer with 12 ultra-sharp blades that cores and slices a whole apple in one quick motion, making healthy snacking fast, exciting, and perfectly uniform for those beautiful aesthetic fruit platters.